to second round?
Actually, we set our goals on this conference, and we're in the right track. I mean, those losses is a 50-50 chance, and we have another chance in the second round. But the thing is, we need to competitive, and we need to beat those teams na kailangan namin siguro talunin. And we have a 50-50 chance on those teams that are on top. So right now, we're in the right track, and we meet our goal. So we need to prepare for our next game, which is the Northport. But again, early in the conference, ito naman siguro yung medyo, of course, we want to be on the 3-1 or 4-0 positions, but right now, we're still happy on the 2-2 positions than 1-3 or 0-4.
Thoughts mo na kay Glenn yan, yung double-double tonight? Good start din for you.
Yeah, like actually si Glenn may food poison yan, so medyo talagang hirap siya, and that's why we managed the minutes of Glenn on this game. And we talk about the improvement, we talk about how we help the team more on scoring, rebounding, and assisting, to be a versatile player, to be a all-around player. And it's a process, and we want Glenn also to learn more dun sa mga games namin na natalo kami at saka nanalo kami.